Welcome, friends. Today, we're focusing on a simple yet powerful tool for calming the mind and body, the breath. We all breathe, of course, but sometimes we can forget its incredible potential for relaxation. So find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels right, or soften your gaze if you prefer. Now bring your awareness to your natural breath. There's no need to force anything, simply observe it. Feel the coolness of air entering your nostrils with each inhale, and the gentle warmth releasing with each exhale. Imagine your breath washing away any tension, any worries that might be clinging to you. I know sometimes thoughts will pop up. Maybe you'll remember errands or upcoming deadlines. That's perfectly okay. When this happens, don't judge yourself. Acknowledge the thought gently, and then, like a wisp of smoke, let it drift away. Focus on the rhythm of your breath. Is it slow and steady? Perhaps a little quick? No matter the pace, simply observe it without judgment. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or belly with each inhale and exhale. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in calmness, peace, and serenity. With each exhale, release any stress, any tension you might be holding. Let your breath be a gentle wave washing over your body, bringing a sense of ease. Continue for a few more breaths, focusing solely on the sensation of breathing. Let your mind become quiet, like a still lake reflecting the sky. Take a few final deep breaths. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a moment to feel the calmness that resides within you. I wish you peace, tranquility, and a breath of fresh air in your day. Stay mindful, friends.